Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys another live withdrawal from the Royal Q trading bot. As you can see, these are some of my earnings on the bot. As of today, I've been able to make about $0.61 so far. Yesterday, I made a total of about $41 using this trading bot. Okay, so I started using this bot about 2 months ago, and I started with about $100 on my Binance account, and within that period I've been able to make about $1,060 using this app. Yeah, I've been able to make this much because I've not really been using the app much, because I know a lot of people that have made much more using this Royal Q bot, but that's not the aim for today. All I'm trying to say is this bot is really important. It's very good. If you can activate it and start using it, you'll be able to make money from trading using this bot. Okay, so I'll explain what Royal Q is all about. Okay, although I've already made several videos about Royal Q. Okay, if you've been a subscriber on my channel and you've been following my videos, you definitely must have come across one or two videos about Royal Q where I've already explained the working principle of the app. However, as a recap, Royal Q is basically an artificial bot, okay, that helps you trade spot and margin on cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance and Huobi exchange. As you all know, Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. It's ranked number one most used exchange in the world. So once you register and you activate your bot and you link it to your Binance, this Royal Q bot helps you do trades. That it helps you complete trades on your Binance. So the one good thing about this bot is that you can make money using it. Yes, it can make you money from both the bearish and bullish seasons. Okay, as you know, currently or some days ago, we were seeing a very bad dip in the crypto market. However, it seems as of as at the beginning of October, the market have started recovering. Okay, and as you can see, these are some of the trades on I have set up using Royal Q. Okay, so Royal Q makes you a profit of about 1 to 5% daily, depending on how you set up the trade settings. And on some good days where there's sufficient pump on the market price, that's crypto market price, the bot can make you anything between 10 to 50% of your total investment. That's your total trading funds on Binance. Okay, like I mentioned already, this bot makes you money despite the dip, or when it's dip, or despite the dip or the pump on the market. Okay, as you can see right now, this is the increased profit. This is the increase. These are increases in the price, and these are floating loss. Okay, what floating loss is potential loss that you can gain, you can get because of the dip in the market. However, it's a floating loss because the bots will not sell when there's a loss. Okay, whenever you have a loss in any trade, the bot never sells. It holds and waits till there's profit. As you can see right now, this increase is going up. Okay, so it will get to a point where this floating loss will now change to floating profit, and once it's floating profit, the bot will not sell off because it has made profit. Instead, it will hold. Okay, it will hold till it reaches a callback. That's a callback is, so it will keep increasing. It will not sell. It will hold the trade till there's a callback, that there's a slight drop in the increase. Okay, that's when it will now sell to take profit, and that all depends on how you set up the bot. Okay, now let's say for example, This is I'm trading OMG with USDT. As you can see, this is my setting. So my first buy in amount is $10. So basically this is the amount the bot will buy. That's the this is the amount. Whenever you want to place a trade, this is the amount it will buy. You can set it to higher than this, or you can set it to higher than this depending on your trading capital. While margin call limit, this is the amount of times the bots can buy this token whenever there's a drop in price. While take profit ratio, this is the price the bot will be ready to take a profit whenever there's an increase. That's whenever there's a floating profit, whenever there's an increase in the price. Once you have an increase of about 1.1% over the amount the bot bought it, that's the robot bought the token, the coin for you. Once there's a 1.1% increase, the bot will get ready to sell. Okay, so it won't sell according to how I set mine. It will not sell till there's a 0.1% callback. Okay, so let's say for example at 0% the bot bought $10 worth of OMG. So and it will not sell till that price, that 0% increases to 1.1%. So that's when it will get ready to sell. Okay, but it will not sell as long as the price keeps going on. Let's say from that 1.1% it went to 2.1%, 3.1%, 4%, 5%, and it keeps rising. The bot will not sell because it has reached that 1.1%. Instead it will wait. Let's say for example it now reaches maybe 10%. At 10% it now drops by, according to how I set mine, once it drops by 0.1%, the bot will sell and take profit. Let's say now it reaches about 10.1% and it now drops to 10%. That it drops by 0.1%, the bot will sell and take profit. Okay, while the margin call drop is the price at which a token will drop in price, will dip to before your bot will now buy the token. Okay, I already said the margin call limit of three. That means whenever it drops by 3.5% in price, the bot will buy $10 worth of the coin for me. Do you understand? And buy in callback is, let's say for example it now drops to 3.5%. Okay, and it now goes up by 0.5%. So once it drops by 3.5% and it buys and it goes up by 0.5%, the bot will now get ready to sell and take profit from the dip. You understand? So that's how basically you make money from both the pump and the dip in crypto market. Okay, so that's basically a quick explanation of how the bot works. Okay, to learn more, make sure you check out the videos I already made about Royal Q on my YouTube channel, and you're able to learn more and get more information about the bot. So in addition to trading the bot, that's in addition to the trades the robot does for you, you can also earn from the referral section of the robot. That's basically by inviting people. Okay, by inviting people to use the app, you get you stand to a chance to get profits from the app. Okay, so now let's say for example as you can see currently right now, in I'm a VIP 2 member. So once you start and you activate your bot, your current level will be VIP 1, and you'll be getting direct recommend. That's once anybody get 30 USDT. Once anybody you refer activates the bot, that's as a VIP 1, you get 30 USDT, and you get 20% of all team rewards. Okay, that's everybody in your team, you get 20% of their profit on the bot. Then as a VIP 2 member, okay, as you can see I'm a VIP 2 member, I get 40% from every, that I get 40 USDT from every activation, and I get 30% of team rewards. As a VIP 3 member, you get 50% of direct referral activation, You get 40% from team rewards, and you get 10% for peer rewards. Peer rewards is basically um people that your team referred also, I think. Then there's the VIP 4. You get 60% from direct referral activation, 50% from team rewards, and 10% from peer rewards. Then there's VIP 5. You get 65% from direct activation, 55% from team profit rewards, 10% from peer rewards. And VIP 6, which is the last of the referral VIP membership levels, where you get 70% from direct. That you get 70 USDT from direct referral activation. You get 60% of all team rewards. That's profit from got made by your team. And you get 10% peer reward, and you get 10% global dividend. That's the total profit globally, made globally by the app. You get 10% of it. That's the total profit made by the organization. You get 10% of everything. Okay, so that's the biggest level you can get to on Royal Q. And how you get there is basically by inviting people and getting them to register. So as you can see, I've also invited a lot of people, and some of them have activated the bot, and I've been giving great testimonies about the bot. Okay, so basically it's very easy to do this. Just all you have to do is you use the link I'll be dropping in the description of this video to register on the website. After registering, you download the app, you log in, and you bind your API to your Binance or your Hobby. You fund your Binance account with USDT and the bot. Then you come over to quantitative, you set up the trade pair, set up your trade settings, and the bot will take it over from there, and you'll be milking profits daily from the bot. Okay, so now let's get to the main topic of the day, which is the live withdrawal. Okay, so to withdraw your funds from this, okay, all you have to do is go to where it says assets. So once you're on the assets, click on assets. So once you're on the assets, you'll be able to um either withdraw or deposit. And one more thing I forgot to mention: to activate the bot, you need about 120 USDT. That's after you've downloaded the app. You need to deposit about 120 USDT, and you click here where it shows your name to activate the bot. Okay, once you activate the bot, you'll be able to start trading using the bot. So to withdraw, you also come to assets, you click on withdrawal. Okay, so once you click on withdrawal, you input the address you want to withdraw to, you put in the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum amount is 10%. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be withdrawing only about $150. Okay, and I'll be leaving about more or less about $9 or $10. This is because since the bot is completing trades for me, that is buying and selling, it needs you need to leave some amount of USDT on the bot. All your trading capital will be on your Binance. Okay, that the bot doesn't have access to your funds. It can't withdraw your funds or do nothing. It can only help you trade, open and close trades. So you need to leave some amount on the bot. You need to deposit at least $10 on the bot, which it will be using to pay the gas fees for completing trades. Okay, so that's like 4 fees. So you need to leave or deposit some amount of USDT on the app, so that it will be using that to help you complete trades. Okay, so that's that. So let me fill this out fast, and you click on confirm to confirm the transaction. So I've successfully made the withdrawal, okay, as you can see, and I will receive it once the withdrawal is processed. I'll receive it on the wallet address I provided for the withdrawal. So guys, I think with this I come to the end of the video. If you want to learn more about this, make sure you check out the videos I have about the app, and feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on how to make money online and how you can make money from the cryptocurrency space. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.